Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your password on MetaTrader 4 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on MetaTrader, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 4 application. The home page of MetaTrader application will appear on the screen. Click on three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Change Password option. Enter your current master password. Create a new password for your MetaTrader's account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and tap on Next. This is how you can change your password on MetaTrader application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.